Alright you guys, this is a little short video to talk about what I've just kind of noticed and came across recently. I know some of you guys are going to think this is silly and it's stupid, and some of you guys are going to realize you've been in the same boat as me, but I bought this helmet used about a year ago. It's a Miller I got for about 30 bucks, and the screen I knew I needed to replace when I got it. But I never got online to order new covers for it, and I just kept welding with it, and I started realizing how bad it was to see out of. But I just was like, man, I gotta get a new helmet or something. And then I just stopped by Harbor Freight the other day and saw they had those little replacement screens, and made a world of difference. So yeah, check out the video, guys.
So as you guys notice, I stopped here for a second. I was really having a hard time with the lighting behind in my helmet shining to see where I didn't want to get off my line I was welding on, so I stopped for a second to see where I was at. So yeah, I just switched out that lens on my helmet and cleaned the actual glass behind it, and as silly as it sounds, like, I was just thinking, man, I gotta get a new helmet. I bought this one used, and it's just been kind of okay, but the problem slowly evolves. You know, you don't really realize, oh, just pick up one day and like, I can't see anything out of it. It's over a long period of time. You don't think about it, you just kind of get used to getting a little worse and a little worse. And finally, the point, I was welding this yesterday, I was like, I can't see what the hell I'm doing. The last welding video, same thing. I had to stop in part of the weld to see where the line was, and thinking, the helmet's just crap. But you get used to how crappy it is, you know. But anyways, as I was working on this little roll around rack yesterday with I had the titanium here, and I just had to put in these few bottom gussets here and maybe a few at the top, and we're gonna try out the new helmet and see how it does. All right, gonna try it out here. That was a big improvement to this helmet, man. I know it sounds stupid. Just clean the damn lenses and get some new ones. But it's one of those things, it's like I said, it gets worse over time. You don't realize how bad it is until you can't see much. Yeah, lenses made a big difference on here and cleaned the helmet up really well. So anyways, that was the best $8 I've ever spent on welding supplies or welding in general. And that's 5 lenses. So I can guarantee I'm not going to let this problem happen again. I'm going to change this damn thing out every few months and make sure it's clean. It's well worth it. It's amazing when you can actually see the weld and what's going on. Before, I was kind of like following the seam. You can kind of see the puddling a little bit, but not much. You just kind of go with the kind of characteristics of the speed you feel you need to travel. Like, I can't believe how bad it was seeing out of this thing for a long time. All right, you guys. Oh, one other thing I want to mention. When I was in the store buying these, I was kind of debating buying these lenses. I was debating about looking at possibly buying that new Vulcan helmet. It has a really big view. It says it's more true color, things like that. I don't think I need to buy it now. This helmet's working pretty damn good. But if you guys happen to have one of those Vulcan helmets, put a comment down below. I'd like to hear what you guys think about it. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? How does it compare to maybe another name brand helmet? Do you feel things like, how fast does it auto darken? Do you notice a lag? Does your eyes hurt after welding? I've used some of those cheaper Harbor Freight helmets. I've noticed my eyes don't feel the best after using them. I think it's a lag time on those cheaper ones, but the Vulcan's in a different league. If you guys like that helmet, leave a comment down below. Either way, how you feel about it. Well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna get back to welding, so thanks for checking out the video. See ya. Till next time.